It's the monkey busters. We were called in because
Your pants is coming off the fuck?
Yes,
They were when your pants
Like-
falling down.
Okay.
they were.
Oh, he died up there.
What?
Let's go. I think the people called.
A building! What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Come under here!
Go, go!
Everyone, get over here. Go!
I think we got it.
Dang, my boy got the
We got a capture of it. Now we can report it to the capturers. We need more screenshot evidence. And I am a good friend of the Monkey Busters. I can go and it like stems them, I think. That's what they told me. Or they never told me how to use this invisible gun. But I'm guessing that's how it works. Oh, now I'm scared. I don't remember this room in our hotel.
You actually like men.
When did this room happen? When did we make this room? Oh shoot, what is that noise? What is that sound? What is that sound? What is that sound? What is that sound? Grip.
Shut the fuck up, Bob. 5-year-old. No one watches TV anymore. Shut up.
Go, 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 go. No. I'm not gonna get any more screenshots. I don't think I like it. Oh shoot. Let's call him Gus. I think he should have a name. Okay. Shoot. Oh. Yes. I need to find. There has to be another way. What's here? I'm gonna check over here and see if there's anything. Yes! I think this is an exit. I think it's an exit. I don't know how to open that. Is there something in here? I don't know what these guys are saying.
How do you get over?
Anything underneath the stairs? No.
Actually cooking.